Fine, Paul. So next shoot's nice and simple. All we need to do is see the Norton Blaze Rapid Strip disc. Take all of the paint and the rust off these products.
Yeah.
That's it. But don't do it just yet. I just need to make a couple of calls.
Okay.
We'll come back. Should we do lunch then?
Sounds good.
And then we'll get working.
Right, great. Perfect.
Right. See you in a couple of minutes.
See you in a minute.
All right, Paul, I'm back. What have you done?
Well, I was only going to test it a little bit, but it's so good I just couldn't stop.
You've done my apple.
Yeah, it's brilliant, isn't it?